Hello children, welcome to next class. Now we will start with our workbook, mathematics workbook. Open your workbook. Yes children, page number 7. Page number 7. Yesterday we finished this page number 6. Yesterday we finished this page number 6. Here already we finished this. Check your progress. Yes, from page number 6 that pictures are given and we have to observe the pictures and top view, side view, and how it will look. That is over. Afterwards, using dot grid and draw the pictures, it is also over. Now in this case, here look at the pictures and tick mark, right mark, which is the divided into two half and dotted lines. Yes or no children? This is over. Now we will come to next one. We will go to next question. Page number 7. Page number 7. Fourth one. Fourth question. Fourth question. Guess these letters from their half. Yes, we have to identify. Here already half parts is given and we have to identify this one and we have to draw new one. Okay, let us start with this. First we will draw here. Let us see what will happen. Okay, now I'll draw here the same thing drawn slightly. It is little mistake here. Okay, now it become A. Now guess the letters means A. Now this one, let us see. We have to continue this. Yes, it is looking like C. Slightly here mistake. Okay, I'll take little half shape. C. Now this one, can you guess? Yes, it is H. H. A, C and H, and we have to this one draw this T. Now we have to continue this one, draw a line. K. It become K. Now let us try this one. Draw a line and we will join here. Sorry, slightly round shape, and here also slightly round, and we will join this one D. Now see here, now we completed this one. Guess these letters from their halves, means half parts are given and we completed this one. A, C, H, T, K, D. Yes, now we have to open your next page. Next page, page number 7. Afterwards, next page, page number 8. We will go to next page number 8. Just a minute. Fifth one. Draw the lines of a symmetry for the following. Already I told symmetry means similar. Symmetry means similar. Symmetry means similar. Same. We have to divide it into two parts. Yes children, now draw a line. you have to draw a line. When you will draw this line, see that the object or this any letters if they given, it will divide into two parts, equal parts, similar equal parts. Okay, now we will try this dot lines. Yes, it become half now. Equal parts, we can divide it into exact two parts, equal parts. Yes, you can cut into like this. Now W, how to draw a line, symmetry line. Now here we have to draw symmetry line. This is a symmetry line. Yes or no, children? Okay, W. Now E, how to cut? Is it not possible? Symmetry, it is not a symmetry. Now we have to draw a line like this, middle. Yes, sorry, again it came up slightly mistake. Yes, I'll take here. Yes, now it become half. Yes or no, children? Okay, I will take another one pencil, better it will, you can see this. Now see here. Yes, now this one, anyhow you can draw any line, either from upside to downside or like from left to right. Yes, children, both it become symmetry only. Now let us try this one. We will draw like this. Now here, how to draw? Either this one, both are same. Here if you draw this, you can draw like this also, or like this also, both will same. Yes or no, children? Okay, now this 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, hexagon. Hexagon, how you will divide? Yes, we will divide it like this only, hexagon in middle. Now 1 2 3 upside also 3 angle, and here also 1 2 3 3 3, we can divide like this. Use scale, but you have to use scale and draw the lines, because it become a perfect. What will happen here? See, some I draw without scale, then little here and there it will go. Now this is a correct. See here, plane. Now we have to divide, or symmetry, we have to draw a symmetry line from upside to downside. Yes, this is the correct symmetry line. Now this star, observe it first. Yes, now you can divide like this. Yes or no, children? If you divide this like this, symmetry line. Now see, 1 2, and this half parts, here also half parts, and 1 2. The stars we can make a half. A flower, You draw like this or like this or like this. All are same, all are equal only. Now let us try with a different angle. Now we will divide in this way. Yes, upside also 1 2, here also downside 1 2, and this side half, here half, and here also half. We can divide it. This is the way to draw a line of symmetry. Now here downside, page number 6 is there, question number 6 is that draw 3 things which do not have similar mirror half. Means you have to draw 3 things. Any 3 things do not have similar mirror half. Means you have to draw like that. Yes, children? Okay, now we will, here you understood about this symmetry line. I hope all are understood this one, symmetry lines. Okay, how to draw that symmetry line, and views, top view, side view, and front view. Top view, front view, and side view. If you observe any object from in any angle and how it will look, that you studied in this first chapter, where to look from, and shapes and symmetry, already you know this. Okay, in next class we will go to next chapter, fun with the numbers. Until that, take care, stay home, have a nice day. Bye children.